Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still playing with dips, reverse dips on the tiles, and today I will try to do kind of injection dip again. We did this with the Rinske Douna. If you didn't see video yet, please do. But I have just so much paint on the surface, I don't know how to. I just want to do it, but I don't know how. So today I will do like this. I will start with this crimson. I just did so weird. Did it just so weird. And I will inject some white underneath. And I will add some yellow. This is cadmium yellow. Whoops. Just have to do it with my left hand, so I don't know how I will do this, but I will try. And I have alizarin crimson, and I think that I will have too much paint again. Today I will not do greens, so I will try to, I don't know, and some cadmium yellow. No cadmium yellow, cadmium red, sorry. I'm just thinking about this. I will add a little bit of metallic white underneath here. And let's see what we will use. I will use a zip bag again. But I will do this so-called diamond dip. No, this flower, it's too big for diamond dip. Oops. Try to torch a little bit. I don't like this yellow thing here. I just have to grab the stick. I will try to blend this a little bit because I don't like it, really don't like this thing here. I'm not sure about this composition, but because it's not a flower and I don't like this white blob here, maybe I can do this too. I don't know. Do something here that I miss. Really miss something here, but I don't want to blow. I don't know. Maybe I should blow a little bit. I don't know, but kind of like it. I like these yellow cells. If I try to stretch this a little bit, but I don't know. Just think that I should add a little white here. I'll touch this later. I'm still not decide about the composition. I think that here's missing something. I think that this is a little bit better. I will just take you down for a close-up. Just, I hope that it will not be too much glare. See these cells, so beautiful, and this metallic white here, and this, I don't know, I just like this one a lot. It misses something, I miss something here, but I just don't want to mess around with it anymore. I will leave it because I like some parts a lot. Oops, no, I want to do this like this here, see? So I think it's nice, and that I will have something to resin, and I will show you the result and see you on the next one. Bye!